Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you latest and trendy frill blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, nowadays frill blouse designs are in trend. Frills are actually a type of extra fabric that is used to like dribble and plated that add more beauty and detailing to the saree blouse design. It gives a modern and very beautiful appearance. This is why we are showing you some of the frill type blouse design for your reference. Frill type blouses are very beautiful on chiffon and net saree. Not just for chiffon or net saree. In fact, frill blouse design are equally popular with traditional pattu saree. So while there are trending hot, there are really highly fashionable look. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.